All right, so I'm just going to show you really quickly how I found the Pulse events that are being live streamed, and there is also a place in the same area to find recordings of events that you will be able to watch online after 48 hours or so after the event takes place. The live stream, of course, will be in real time. And I'm just going to come clean and say, I know I've told you not to worry with the activity stream, but to go into courses. But for the Pulse events, what I had to do is to click on activity stream, then click on Pulse information and survey. So you may have to scroll down until you find your most recent one. We have had so many messages from Pulse information and survey that it shouldn't be too hard to find that, that title. So click on that, and then you'll find the class, and you have announcements and all kinds of things on your left. So if you're not seeing that left column, click on that little gray area, and you can scroll down until you see resources for online students, Pulse live stream, recorded videos, and other materials. And then it says online students. Click here to access the live streamed Pulse events available via the Wallace State YouTube channel. So that's where you click. And then you have several different options. The kickoff speaker happened at 8 on Tuesday. That's today. The academic speaker just spoke. These things, although they were live streamed, you can find them recorded on YouTube. So let's click on that. And yes, here's the recording on YouTube. So you could watch this and write your review on that. If you go back, you can see the other options. Here's the kickoff speaker that was today. We'll just check YouTube for that. There it is. Going back to content, you still have two that are happening tomorrow. If you want to watch them in real time, you just click on the link at 8 o'clock tomorrow to see the keynote speaker for the Applied Technologies Division. And at 9:30, you can see the Health Sciences Division keynote speaker. All right. So you have Pulse Reflection Assignment. You can use that for a general Pulse reflection. However, in your actual class Blackboard page for my students, you're going to click on your class, and then you'll see, as always, if you have an assignment, it's in a color. So the title will be in the color, and the title is, most of the time, if it's not a video quiz, it's going to be the link to upload your assignment. So click on the green link after you have written your review, and I expect your review to be written using MLA format. You're going to just open a Word document like you always have, format it using 12-point Times New Roman, double spacing, and you're going to write 150 words and 1 or 2 paragraphs that explain what you enjoyed most about Pulse, so whichever event you're reviewing. And then, oh, I should change that typo. Would you recommend your favorite Pulse event to other students? If so, why? And then here are the details about the heading and the format and all that sort of thing. All right, so you will save your review in a Word document. Make sure you save it as in one of these files, okay? And browse local files once you've saved it and upload it. Don't forget to click Submit. That's it. Let me know if you have other questions. I hope you enjoy your Pulse events virtually. And we wish you were here on campus because it's been a lot of fun.